Hey, everyone! Today we're diving into the world of iMessage to add a fun and expressive twist to your conversations. We'll explore how to react using your stickers to messages on iMessage. Whether you want to add a touch of humor, excitement, or just something cute, stickers are the way to go. Let's get started. First things first, open your iMessage app on your device. Go and select the conversation where you want to react with stickers. Now let's find the message you want to react to and tap and hold on it. A menu will pop up. Choose the Add Sticker option from the reactions. Tap here to list all your stickers. If you don't have any sticker, we will link our video on how to create sticker from your image into the description. Browse through the available stickers and pick the one. I will choose this doggy. And there you have it. You've just added a sticker reaction to your iMessage. It's a great way to express yourself and add a bit of flair to your conversations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iMessage tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy messaging with stickers.